Hello. Welcome to our workshop. Today we will review the Creality Falcon2 12W. As the 22 watts, it has the same sturdy aluminum alloy frame that allows the laser to operate at 25,000 mm per minute. The assembly it is pretty much the same as for the CR Falcon2 22W. The device arrived fully assembled. We only had to screw in the feet. Slide the laser head module into place. And connect it to the frame like so. The bundle we received contained an air assist pump that blows air onto the working area. It is already integrated and it is controlled by G-code. The laser operates with a SD card or connected to a computer, PC or Mac. The machine can be used with Lightburn and laser garble software. The laser has numerous safety features, which make it very safe to use. 3 LED lights that monitors flame, airflow and cleanliness of the lens. The emergency button in the key switch prevents kids from playing around with the laser. For focusing the laser beam we use this metal piece that has 3 levels. Each one is suitable for cutting and engraving different thicknesses of materials. To adjust the focus, loosen the 2 screws on the side, lift the laser and place it on top of the material, and tighten the screws. To preview the job, and align the material within the designated area, press the frame button to draw a preview frame. We also received the new Rotary Kit Pro for engraving tumblers, mugs, glasses and even rings. As always, everything is included in the package, and very well taught. It includes even a measuring tape. And the package is beautiful. It is a rotary with chuck, compatible with other lasers on the market. It came already assembled, and ready to use, by simply connecting it to your laser. We also received some materials to test during the review. This is 0.24 inches, 6 mm, basswood plywood. We received an enclosure tent for eliminating the odors and fumes. The assembly is very easy. We leave a link to a video presenting how to assemble the tent. It has a sturdy frame similar to the ones used for tents. It is made from flame retardant fabric to prevent fire. It has a large viewing window, which comes in handy when you want to observe the process at any time. It has a size that fits most lasers on the market. It has an exhaust fan and tube that helps expel the smoke and dust during engraving or cutting. The fan can be connected to power with a USB cable. The orange see-through window protects the eyes from the laser beam. One has easy access inside because of the large window. It is lightweight, easy to move from place to place. And it can be folded for easy storage. I'll show how to make a speed and power test in Lightburn, so you can make your own testings. We draw a square with the side of 7 mm, big enough to test cutting and engraving. Then we make an array with 10 by 10 squares. We set 3 mm of spacing between squares. We use the text tool to add the labels on the speed and power axis. .5K is layer 1, 5K is layer 2, and so on, up to the maximum speed of the laser, which is 25 km per minute. We'll set the speed for the different layers, and keep the power at 100% for all of them. We set the layer properties, making sure all of them are in fill mode, if you want to test engraving power, or in line mode, for cutting power. We assign different power levels for each column, from 10% to 100%. For this, we need to open the Shape Properties tab, from the Window tab, like so. Save your file as G-code, go to your laser and make your test. We will test the cutting capabilities of the laser, by making a leather pillow. We used 4 ounces, 1.6 mm, vegetable tanned leather, and cut it with 350 mm per minute, at 100% power. We taped the leather in the middle, as the cutouts started to curl a little bit. Everything is cut perfectly, including the holes. For the white decoration, we used 2.5 ounces, 1 mm, chrome leather, and cut it with 280 mm per minute, at 90% power. Use the speed and power test in Lightburn, to calibrate the laser for your own leather. We cut and punched the gusset by hand, as it is more than 40 inches, 100 centimeters, long. We leave in the description below, the link to the video tutorial for making the pillow. It comes with a PDF pattern, and a DXF file for laser cut. It turned out really nice. We hope you'll make your own version. To use the rotary, we first install the feet. One only needs to connect the rotary to the laser, with the cable that came in the package, and it is good to go. There is a link to a video in the upper right corner, about how to attach the rotary to the laser. We focus the laser beam for engraving. We measure the circumference of the tumbler, with the measurement tape provided in the package, to ensure the design fits well on the available area. We connect the laptop to the laser. We use this setting, fill, 4200 mm per minute, at 100% power. You should tinker with your settings, considering the material you are engraving on. We clean it with isopropyl alcohol and a piece of cloth. It came out really nice. We generated a DXF file, or SVG, for this box, using a free online tool. We used 180 mm per minute, at 100% power, to cut the wood. You should tinker with your settings, to obtain the best results with the material at hand. The cut is very sharp and clean. We assembled it very easily, because the measurements in the DXF file were so precise. I didn't even need glue to keep the parts together. We will use this box as a stand for shooting photos for our leather goods. These are the products we made with the Creality Falcon2 12W during the review. With its cutting capacity and precision, solid frame, speed, built-in air assist pump and safety features, CR Falcon2 12W is a tool to be considered by any leather crafter. The Creality 12W is taking advantage of the solid frame of Falcon 2 series, which ensures great productivity with its 25,000 mm per second. As we showcased with the pillow, it can easily cut 4 ounces, 1.6 mm, vegetable tanned leather. It comes pre-assembled, requiring only 10 minutes to set up, making it a great choice for anyone who is not a laser specialist. The laser contains plenty of safety measures to prevent accidental misuse. This laser sits between the affordable 10 watts laser and the premium Falcon 2 series, containing all the important features of the latter: sturdy frame, high speed and safety measures, at a balanced price. The fact that there are 3 lasers sharing the same frame is a clever move, as one can buy the less powerful of the lasers, 12 watts, and upgrade to the other 2, 22 watts and 40 watts, just by buying the laser head, as they are interchangeable. Due to these features, this laser machine is a great choice for small workshops. The affordable enclosure tent is a useful addition to the accessories developed by Creality. It is lightweight, foldable, contains an exhausting system, and has a window that protects from laser beams. The new rotary kit comes fully assembled, and the package contains everything you would need to start using it. We love that each accessory is compatible with other laser brands, thus opening possibilities to design, make, and personalize leather goods at the most competitive price. If you are interested in purchasing this laser, there is a link in the description. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy it and find it useful.